Hey sweet friends, welcome back. Today is going to be just kind of a relaxing clean and decorating video. I haven't done one of these in a while, and in full transparency, I haven't really decorated my home since Christmas. I've sort of just been letting everything breathe, focusing on organizing my home, decluttering, all the typical New Year's stuff. But today I'm craving coziness. We are in the dead of winter here in Ohio, and uh, as much as I dislike this season, I'm trying to embrace the winter. And so I thought it would be fun to kind of add some texture and some color to the space with some greenery and pillows and different things. So if you're looking for some cozy home inspiration, look no further than today's video. And yes, this is real life with a golden retriever in a almost 200-year-old house. Dust and dog hair, the bane of my existence. But also, in full transparency, since we're being honest today, I haven't been super inspired when it comes to my home. And I think it's for two reasons, and they kind of have to do with the same thing. First being that we're moving. We're moving in June, most likely, kind of midsummer, hopefully, fingers crossed. And once you know you're leaving somewhere, it's really hard to concentrate and put your priorities on your current space. Is anybody else like that? Or is it just me? But also, I think with all of the home decisions I've been having to make in designing and selecting materials, I have a little bit of creative fatigue, and I don't know, haven't had the time or the motivation to make my current home feel warm and inviting. So today it feels so good to just give my home some attention that it so desperately needed. And as usual, I'm really just trying to keep things simple, keep it easy and light, and really make it easy to manage. That's really my goal more than anything. I love this little wired cloche for plants. I actually found it on Amazon last year. I will link it down below, as well as any pillow covers or floral stems that I used today. I try my best to source things for you guys. But when it comes to January decorating, I don't want it to look too springy, but I really like to add greenery to make everything feel lively. I feel like it just uplifts me and makes me happier. So I try to use just greenery and not too many florals, but whatever works. Kind of just using whatever I have on hand. And that's the other beautiful thing about today's video. I'm just using what I've already got. I went down to my basement, kind of just picked a couple of greenery pieces out, and just kind of playing with stuff that you already own is always a fun challenge. I'm trying really hard this year not to buy any new decor until we move, just because that doesn't make a lot of financial sense, right? But I'm using this Country Pear Room Spray. It's from Antique Candle Company, and that's the scent of candles you'll see burning in today's video. So I'm just kind of increasing the fragrance that much more. And oh my word, if you have not tried this scent from Antique Candle Company, it is the perfect everyday warm, kind of fruity, kind of vanilla-ish scent, and it just makes any space smell incredible. So before we go any farther, I kindly wanted to thank Good Chop for sponsoring today's video. If you aren't familiar, Good Chop offers fully customizable boxes of high quality meat and seafood delivered to your door on your schedule. The products are vacuum sealed and flash frozen at peak freshness, so you can stock your freezer and cook when you want. And there is something for everyone. You can choose from over 60 high quality cuts, like these 100% grass-fed ribeyes that I'm making tonight. This is one of my all-time favorite recipes. It's so easy. The whole family loves it. But some of my other favorites include the wild-caught salmon, the filet mignon, and I love the thick-cut bacon on Saturday morning for breakfast. These sheet pan ribeyes come together in about 30 minutes. They're delicious, and the marbling on these cuts of meat, you guys, so much flavor. I'm always trying to improve and find the best quality ingredients and products. And with Good Chop, all their products are sourced from the USA. Unlike many other companies, Good Chop sources its meat and seafood exclusively from American farms and fisheries. By choosing Good Chop, you support local family farms and independent ranchers right here in the US. And I think that's so cool. And I think you guys would really enjoy it too. So be sure to go to goodchop.com/YouTube and use code AmyF120 or click on the link in my description below to get $120 off across your first 4 boxes. And again, a big thanks to Good Chop for sponsoring today's video. So how are you guys? I hope that you're doing well. I just want to do a little mental health check on everybody. Let me know down in the comments, how are we doing? How are we handling the winter blues? What kind of content would you like to see that's going to bring some joy to your day? You know, I have a long list of videos I'd like to make in the next month or two, but if you guys give me some ideas on just stuff that would make your day a little brighter, I'd be happy to film it. I really just want to be an uplifting space for you. When you come here on a weekday morning, I want you to leave feeling with more peace than when you came. This internet space is such an overwhelming place, and I don't want to add to the noise. So let me know down in the comments. But now we're moving on to our main living room here, and these little antique tables are always fun to decorate. I usually try to do some type of plant, maybe a stack of books or something, but I actually have this little statue from Amazon, and it's a mama bunny and her baby bunnies. My kids love it. I bought it because I have 3 children, if you're new here, and it's just the cutest little thing. It reminds me of them every single time I put it out. Let this video be a reminder to you today that no matter what season you're in, taking time to care for your home is always worth it. You're always going to leave feeling better than how you came, and don't put it off like me. Don't avoid it. Just take some time, even if you have to schedule it in your calendar. Take an hour, take 2 hours, take 30 minutes, whatever you have, and love on your home, because your family will notice it. You'll feel that much better, and it doesn't have to be some big grandiose thing. It could be as simple as going to the grocery store and picking up some flowers, or picking up a new houseplant, or even just working with what you got, like I am today. Eucalyptus is one of my favorite things to use during the winter months, and I just had this simple eucalyptus wreath. I did add a ribbon last year to it just to give it something a little extra. I hung it on our door there, and then I just hung this thrifted basket on the accordion peg rack just for something extra. I think I had stockings there before, and so just needed to add something back in. I also added those ficus greenery stems. Those are an Amazon find, as well as these artificial artichokes. I think artichokes add such a fun pop of color and green to the space, and they're really pretty. Again, I will link everything down in the description below. Goodness, sometimes it feels like just yesterday we were taking this kitchen down to the studs, removing the wall. That is where this peninsula is now, which is crazy. It's always good to look back and remember how far you've come, but I just want to give the counters a really quick wipe down. I like to do this before adding any new decor, just so that everything feels fresh and clean. I'm almost certain these little fern stems that you saw me use in the parlor and now here in the kitchen are from Hobby Lobby. They're great. You can get them 50% off, and I'm just tucking them in a little white utensil dish actually and calling it good. Really simple. That's the only thing I had to change out there on the shelf. I've been loving this little antique table in the center of the kitchen. I know it's a little bit short for the space, but man, it's actually been so nice to have something in the middle of the kitchen to set, things down on and actually use. It's been great. I have these faux paper whites. These are a winter essential. Now that I have them, they were a little bit of an investment. Got them online through Home Depot, I think. If you can get them on sale, do it. I use them now year after year. They're such a beautiful winter bulb. I don't really love real ones. I'm not crazy about the smell of them. So having these faux ones are great. Also have some faux rosemary that I don't have to worry about keeping alive. I'd love to find some real herbs in the next couple of weeks though, just to have to brighten up the kitchen space. And then the last little thing I'm gonna add is this basket with some, what would you call these, like little willow branches? Not sure, but they're from Hobby Lobby. And that is everything. That's the kitchen with just some pop of color and life. I didn't do a whole lot, but it makes it feel that much brighter and happier and more peaceful to this space. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was short and sweet. I hope it gave you some cozy home inspiration, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye.